Step 3. Heatbed carriage installation. So we need the B4 bar, the heatbed support, and this guy. Tevo doesn't really give you any indication. They say that this guy is to strengthen the parts choose to install overlay installation. Well, so I guess you just have to put it against the heatbed carriage and work from there, and that should be it. There has been apparently several versions of the wheels with or without washers, with spring washers, normal washers, whatever. These seem to have a classic flat washer. You might be able to see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and not do anything, not take them apart, just use them as is, and we'll see how it goes. So two of them will be mounted with eccentric nuts, two without, so they'll have ABS spacers instead, and two spring washers instead of one. Okay, so we're gonna go nut, wheel, spring washer, spacer, that. Onto the assembly, and I guess this guy. I don't have properly sized washers for these anymore, so maybe I'll add some later on, but for the moment I guess that's it. Don't over tighten them. Okay, the other one, the screw, the wheel, washer, spacer goes there, the nut, that's it. Nut, wheel, spacer, eccentric nut, and for the last one, screw, a wheel, a washer, an eccentric nut, and here it goes. Seems to work. And I guess that's it then.